What up? Oh my goodness. I'm just in bed looking at this stock market. And let me just say this. It's burning preems right now. They are burning premiums. They are burning preems real bad. So it kind of just keep going up and down at the moment. So it's like it was up $3 when market opened. Like as in after market opened, now it's down. It keeps going in the red and then going back up in the green. So right now, like I said, if you got in this morning, got into calls and you scalped, you made some money, but now they are burning preems. And when I say that, I'm pretty much saying they are burning calls and puts. So that means if you bought in and you bought in that wrong timing and you're not scalping correctly, which is very hard to do right now because the IV is up so high with calls and puts, it's causing everything to be expensive. The longer you're in that call and put and it's not going the direction that you predicted, it's going to be harder for you to oh gosh, to make money. Okay. So that's when I say burning premiums, that's what I mean by that. Now it's down $1.10. I mean, I said this morning that they probably gonna do some type of pump and dump because no news was beat this morning. So pretty much they are trading off of bad news. I mean, you got the 125% tariffs that were put into effect for America by China. None of the CPI data beat, nothing beat expectations. So I wouldn't be surprised if this dump the whole day. But anything is possible with this stock market right now. So please trade carefully and make sure you're actually knowing what you're getting into, definitely with premiums being so high because of the fluctuated IV, which is implied volatility. And that's, like I said, and people who got into puts this morning, they may now be seeing money, but if you bought in their own timing, like I said, you're now having to wait to see that money coming back because they burned your preems with your puts. Hello to anybody who joined. We are just reviewing over the stock market because things are all over the place right now. And I'm not expecting this to have a green day, but one fake tweet or one fake article could cause this thing to go green. So watch out. U.S. very close to recession, believes 90-day pause on tariffs. This is an article. People keep flip-flopping. They keep flip-flopping back and forth on their decision on what they believe is bad and good for the stock market. So I tell people just to be very cautious on what articles you're reading because these people have been changing their mind every other day. So it does not make any sense. But I'm not surprised it's in the red. I definitely said a pump and dump was possibly going to happen today because the CPI data was not good. We got the tariffs on top of that were put into effect, or I don't know for sure if they were put into effect, but I know that America now has 125% tariffs from China. I'm not expecting this to go green at all. Hi, Katie's mommy. Hi. I hope you're having a good day. Yeah, it's just going down. They got slammed. If you did not buy out of your calls and you did not scalp this morning, then you just totally got screwed. And now you're going to have to possibly wait for this to go up. But like I said, with the premiums being so high, now you're going to have to wait for price to go even higher. And you're not going to see your money back. It sucks. I try to be like cautious on speaking on the whole tariff thing because I see what Trump plan is for this. And unfortunately, like with anything, sometimes Sometimes things have to go bad in order for it to go good. And I see where he is going with this, but it's going to hurt a lot of people first before if it goes well. That's if it goes as planned. Unfortunately, a lot of people are going to get burnt in the beginning. Hedgie's eating, so all calls already sitting on two. Sitting on two what? Yeah, I don't know what they talking about. They said markets are wild, but in chaos comes opportunity. What is your highest conviction trade right now? They're trying to say this is a bear trap. I don't know. I don't think today may be a bear trap. Unless, like I said, somebody come out with a fake article or some type of like brand new news, like China and the America have came to some type of conclusion. That's the only way I could see this like really doing some type of movement up to the top. But right now it's not looking too well. Or if a rate cut come in. If a rate cut happens, if the feds do a rate cut, we might see this move up. People are either saying that they think that it's going to be a rate cut in May or maybe emergency rate cut coming, which is possible. 10-year just hit a 4.54%. Oh, yeah, this may bleed off today. This may be a put day. Puts may be eaten. But the prices of puts are ridiculous. You paying like 500 per contract, like 400 or 500. Like I remember last month, I was able to buy contracts $30 a piece. 500 is fucking insane for one contract. And say it doesn't go the direction you want, or they're burning your calls and puts, man, that stuff hurts. It's burning your account. A lot of people been playing off of luck too. I know a lot of people have got very lucky and they made a lot of money. It's like, whoa, goodness, that's good. I'm just reading these comments. People saying a lot right now. Some people just be saying whatever. Oh, it's down to 521. Yeah, I think put's about to eat for a second. I think Trump is right. Bankruptcy America and file for bankruptcy. But honestly, if you're in too much debt, I always like will tell somebody like if you're in sky high debt and there's no possible way to repay it, file for bankruptcy. Period. Do not make yourself go to the point where you just can't like afford nothing and are literally trying to ride off of just paying back things that you can't afford. Like just file for fucking bankruptcy, dude. If you're that deep in debt, don't even think twice. Just enter the fucking papers. All that should be eliminated. Just forget it. Restart. To me, I still feel like the puts are not like. I feel like the downside. I thought it would be more of a downside today. I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed at all by what I'm seeing with these charts. This should be going down even more in a few seconds. Yep, there we go. A whole dollar drop just happened. I love it when I'm not trading. It just moves clean down the fucking direction I say it's gonna move. It just moves clean down there. Anytime I'm trading, I swear I have to sit there and look, and my eyes like burning because I'm like, did I just make the wrong decision? It moves the direction I want, but it never moves this clean. Like this mug is moving clean down. It pisses me off. Like, look at it. I'm fucking pissed. Look at it. Just a clean cut down to the fucking downside. SPY is already down $4. Guys, if you want to trade based off the SPX cheap, let me see. I think it's XPS. Oh, God, it's something. It's a I'm gonna put it in my comment box when I get done with this video. But there is a you could trade options and you'll be able to like pretty much like inverse. It's like pretty much you're trading like it's reversed pretty much. So if you believe the SPX is going to go up in price, you will buy puts. If you believe the XPX is going to go or am I saying this right? It's all reversed around. It's reversed around. So if you believe it's going to go up in price, right? You think it's gonna go up in price, you're gonna buy puts. If you think it's gonna go down in price, you'll buy calls. So that is it's cheap. You could get like 10 contracts for like cheap. Somebody just put me onto this shit the other day, and I was quite impressed by the outcome of what I had. And it was cheap, you know. We have to kind of look for cheap options at this point, because who's gonna pay $500, $600, $700 and shit may not go the way you want it to go. That's a fool's game. I don't know what's up to anybody who's joining my live. What's up? We just talked about the stock market and my other phone went out. What the? I don't know. I need to head over to my computer so I can see this shit. Oh, goodness. Let me see. I'm just getting my computer started because my phone went out. Now I can't see what's going on. Okay. And mind you, it's cold as heck. Like, what? Wishy-washy temperatures. The temperatures are all over the place. Woman is hot, woman is cold. I ain't got time for this. Look at that. Boy, they are burning the hell out of y'all stuff right now. They burning cars and puts so bad. Like, this is so unfair. Now it's back up. My this thing was almost down $4 just a few seconds ago. Man, if you ain't scalping, you tripping all the way. This is a get in, get out type of market. This ain't no right now. This ain't no type of just sitting in waiting for the, unless you got the patience and you really are 100% accurate on knowing what you're doing. Now on Friday, I'm not sitting in nothing because your calls and puts decay quick. They decay very fast, so you're going to lose money quicker on a Friday than any other day. But they don't even count with SPY because with different ETFs they have dailies, so you're going to burn quick regardless on any dailies. Look at these wicks on the end of these candles on a 1 hour chart. Like, what is that? This thing is just volatile. It's just, ooh, this market is just, ooh, this is conditions that are just horrible. Like I said, if you get in at right timing, you're going to benefit. But if you do not, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. I'm surprised this is even up. I'm just looking at the charts. But it's just wow. Man, Meta been taking some big drops. They do it big over there. Oh, goodness. If you know what you're doing, you making some money over there trading Facebook. Oh my gosh. Yeah, these charts are not. I'm on a run. Look, see, I'm on QQQ right now. I'm looking at several different charts. Look at SPY. Man, the liquidity sweeps are insane. Around that 520 range, it just bounced. Let me see if I can bring this up. I'm gonna have to test it. But I'm gonna get back on here. I'm gonna test something and see exactly if I can show y'all the live trading that I'm about to do in a few seconds. All right, bye.